Welcome to Auto. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Jotunnslayer Hordes of Hel not launching on PC.
Fix 1. Check PC System Requirements Step 1. Right, click the Game exe Properties Compatibility Step 2. Make sure your PC meets minimum CPU, GPU, and RAM Step 3. Update Windows to the latest version Fix 2. Run the game as Administrator Step 1. Go to the Game Install folder Step 2. Right, click Jotunnslayer. exe Step 3. Select Run as Administrator. Fix 3. Verify game files, Steam, Step 1. Open Steam, Library Step 2. Right-click the game, Properties Step 3. Installed files, verify integrity of game files, Fix 4. Update graphics drivers, Step 1. Open NVIDIA/AMD software, Step 2. Check for driver updates, Step 3. Restart PC after update. Fix 5. Disable antivirus and overlays, Step 1. Temporarily disable antivirus, Step 2. Turn off Steam/Discord overlays, Step 3. Launch the game again, Fix 6. Install required runtimes, Step 1. Install Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, Step 2. Install DirectX, June 2010, Step 3. Restart your PC.